What's up, kids? Playing Uncharted 2, and I've been dying a lot, and now I'm gonna die because I'm stuck in a washing machine. I don't know how this happened. I was using a riot shield, there was an explosion, and now this is the result. Here we go, kids. I'm stuck. See, I can move into the other washing machine, but other than that, I can jump around. I'm trying to play one-handed here, so forgive me. Now there's a grenade. Now I'm out of the washing machine, so that's fantastic. So yeah, Uncharted 2, great game. I got stuck in a washing machine, so that's interesting.